Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I moisturize my hair during the winter months and how I stretch my hair using the tension method. I moisturize my hair with castor oil and shea butter during the cold months because my hair tends to dry out a lot quicker, which makes it susceptible to breakage. I moisturize my hair section by section in order to avoid unnecessary tangles and even distribution of the product to every hair strand. Afterwards, I twist up the hair and just let it be for now. Here's the amount of castor oil I use per section. It's very thick, although it looks runny in the video. Ignore that. It encourages hair growth and it also controls hair loss. The frequent use of both oils helps to thicken the hair, and if you're in a country that is dead as cold, trust me, you would need some form of oil to seal that moisture in your baby. Afterwards, I always twist up my hair. This is to avoid my hair getting tangled and just to make everything nice and neat at the end of the day. Time to blow dry my hair. I unravel each section first, run my fingers through it to make sure the oil has been evenly distributed throughout the hair. Another benefit of shea butter is that it serves as a heat protectant for your hair, especially if you have 4C hair. So this is me stretching my hair and running the blow dryer through my hair, and I'm using medium heat to stretch out my hair. As you can see from the video, my hair strands are getting a little bit straight. I guess not bone straight, but not curly either. Afterwards, I always braid my hair just to make sure it stays straight. And I move on to the next section. So I'm just going to be repeating the whole process of me unraveling my hair, making sure the oils have been evenly distributed throughout a particular section, then do the tension method, after which I braid my hair back up. So this is me done with one section. I will repeat this process to the other section. Do ignore all the facial expressions I keep on making throughout this video. It's just one of those things I tend to do whenever I'm either applying makeup or, well, doing my hair. It's not intentional. the victory dance. You won't believe this, but this took 2 hours 30 minutes to complete. That's a long time. I'm done with my hair. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do stay tuned to see the unraveled look.